Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. And today I have another unboxing for you. I am very, very excited about this. I can't show you the front because it would tell you where the bag is from, and it's a secret. It's a secret till I open it. This is a bag that I already have one of, or two. And stop shaking your head. I had to get this one though, because with all this talk of spring and
you were the only one talking about spring
bags and stuff. When this came up, I'm like, this is a company that I found out that I absolutely love their bags from. I mean, I love bags from lots of companies, let's be honest. But this is like an affordable-ish one. And one of the things I complained about with them was that they didn't have enough color. And we're going to open this baby up here. Oh, so you got some cards here. And it is from The Horse. And in my defense, I don't have this particular bag yet. I have a bag. It's the same bag. It's got a different name. But, I mean, it's a different size. So, this only came out in this size.
Is this like the Horizon on the Omni?
But, no. This only came out in this size. But I had to buy it because, the color. Oh, the color. Oh, do you see? Do you see what it is? As I throw it on the floor. I didn't throw it on the floor. I got the mini Clementine in this beautiful bluish.
I thought Clementines were orange.
Light bluish gray. I wish they'd make an orange one. So, this smells so good. I love how these bags smell. I'm trying to get this strap out here. So the Horse is an Australian brand, and my understanding is the bags are made in Australia. They come with a little tag here, little piece of the leather. Oh, it smells so good. Do you smell it? No, I smell it. Let's see, mini Clementine in baby blue leather. This piece is designed to help carry and care for your most trusted items. For its collections, The Horse chooses high-quality leathers that will acquire a distinct personal patina over time. For more information or product care, please see thehorse.com.au. Here's a little
patina
tag in case you want to see it. And then it just says The Horse. And so this bag, I already have two Clementines. Let's pull this one out right here. Give you the difference here. So let's first just do a look at this bag. Let's do our Autumn Beckman spin.
Does she get paid every time you say her name?
Oh no. Here's the front. I think this is a little bit grayer blue than I was expecting. Like the blue online looked a little lighter blue.
Yeah, it's more gray for sure.
But I am not mad at it. How is it coming up on camera?
Gray.
Is not very true to color?
No.
No, so it's bluer than it looks on the camera.
Yes.
Okay. Here's the side, the back, the other side. The closure is up at the top here. And then there's the bottom, and there are little leather feet on it. The hardware is silver. And then the top is a flap like this, and it opens up.
Magnetic flap, I take it.
There's the two magnets right there. Okay, so then what do we got inside? We have a strap. I've heard some people, I've heard a couple people say they thought when they got their horses, there was a smell to them. Mine have all had smells, but the smell is
leather.
Phenomenal leather, yes. So
how would you compare it to PLG?
Oh, very similar. Very similar. I would say the Portland Leather Goods, listen to you, PLG, is a little more, almost smells a little more, I guess, raw if that's
Raw leather,
like, yeah, and
rustic leather.
yeah, I mean a little more like closer to just hanging on to leather. And I think that part of that could be because these bags themselves are lined, and that might, like be grabbing some of the scent would be my thought. And they're filled with packaging, and they're filled with moisture packs. So the interior is just got like a really nice lining. It's got a little creed in it, and then it's got a slip pocket off on the side there.
Is that Apollo or?
No. And then it just closes like this. Even the little bags got slouch. And then it comes with a adjustable, removable handle. The only thing I hate, I don't know why it is, but getting the plastic off of these things is a nightmare.
I think that's just for you.
It must be, but it is a nightmare.
We've seen you open packages.
So,
boxes.
this is adorable. I love this. And there was a time when I would have thought, I don't know if I could use this as my purse, but I found that I could, because everything fits in here. I believe everything will fit in here nicely like I need it to. I just have to be aware of what I use or put in. The lining is so nice, what I put in it. But I do want to compare it for you guys. So if you were looking at these, the price difference in these is very minimal. I want to say these are like $199 or $200, and these are like $239. So I think it's a pretty big difference between the mini and the regular. So just comparison, here's the front. So you can see there it's got, what, a good 1.5 inches, maybe at least, longer. There's the sides. I mean, the back.
It's like a fun size and a regular size candy bar.
Or now like a normal size and a...
Okay, back in the day.
Yeah. And then there's the bottom. So substantially, a lot bigger bottom on the regular one. So, yeah, just in case you're looking, I mean, so it'd come down to personal preference. I mean, if you're just looking for a little carry-around bag, I mean, and this one could take, I think they're a little bit bigger. Let me just check while you have me here. Let's bring out my little Coach Mini that I haven't took all the wrapping paper off of yet, just to kind of compare the sizes. So if we look at this here, they are probably pretty identical that way. The sides, the horse, I think, definitely has more room.
It's taller and wider, it looks like.
Yeah, and then if you look at the base,
because it's all about that base,
you can see that although the bags look very, very similar, I think this would carry a lot more than this would. So, just to give you a size reference. So, yeah, that's my newest bag. I just want to keep smelling it because it smells so good.
She's one of those ladies.
I am one of those ladies. I like this. Yeah, this is really cute. Like I said, it's not quite as light blue as I thought it was going to be, because I was going to say this is a really good bag for spring. I still think it would be a really good bag for spring, but I do think that based on its color and the fact that it runs a little grayer, it's probably going to be one of those bags you could use, again, all year round. Okay, maybe not fall. It doesn't look like a fall bag to me.
Y'all.
But it looks like a spring bag, a summer bag, or a winter bag to me. So I really like this. It's just so cute. Like I said, if these came out in more colors other than like brown and black, brighter colors, I'm telling you, I would buy all of them. There's a green I haven't bought yet. There's a burgundy that's on pre-order right now that I may or may not get. And otherwise there's like black and I don't really like the green. It's a really dark olive green. Maybe I'd like it better in person, but I just wish they'd come out with all kinds of bright colors, these. But it's probably good they don't. But that bag,
probably best.
It's beautiful. And this is a mini beautiful, so Mom and Daddy. There you have it. There's my unboxing for today. Do you guys have anything from the horse? I cannot say enough good things about this brand. I would say the one thing that a lot of times I say to me will mean the difference between luxury and just contemporary, is the fact that so many of the luxury brands that are leather have leather interiors, which I really like. But if you look at Louis Vuitton, their canvas doesn't have leather interiors, and it's canvas. So I don't know. This to me is an up and coming phenomenal brand. I mean, it's so good. I can't say enough good things about the horse. I think it's a fantastic brand. So do you have anything from the horse? If you do, let me know, or just leave a comment down in the comments down below. I really appreciate when people do that. It means a lot to me. Helps me get to know you guys a little bit better. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays that are luxury, mainly bag related, handbag and SLG related content, and other things that I enjoy. And then on every other Thursday, I do a book related video. And then on Mondays or Tuesdays, I'll do a bag swap video where I'll swap from one bag into my next bag for the week. I'll show you my SLGs I've been using and how they've worked out, give you some good and bad about them. And it's been really nice doing that. I had started at the beginning of this year, and it's been really nice, again, going back into a bag that you sometimes forget how much you loved it. And then again, you sometimes forget how maybe something bothers you that you forgot bothered you. Although I haven't really ran into that too much lately. Instead, I keep running into, man, do I love this bag. And I want to carry it more than a week. But no, I'm not going to, because I want to switch them out. So, yeah, that was a tangent. I think that's everything I have to say. I have some fun stuff coming up, a few more unboxings. I've been a little handbag crazy lately, although luckily, stop raising your eyes like that. Luckily, they've been all inexpensive, relatively speaking. Yeah, just really looking forward to spring finally being here and getting out some new bags and using some of the fun colors, and like to have you join me. So until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
There will be nothing added to this video.